The sky pencil holly is a cultivar of Japanese holly, a native of Japan and East Asia that can be found in thickets, woods, and wet places in lowland and mountains all over Japan. Sky pencil holly is a handsome evergreen shrub that is smaller than most of the species at 6 to 8 feet high and is densely branched, tight, and has a columnar growth. It has a fastigiate form, meaning narrowing toward the top and having upright, usually clustered branches that it maintains without pruning. Planted in full sun to partial shade and acidic, well-drained soil, though it tolerates a wide range of soil types, from moist to dry, it actually prefers clay. It tolerates shade and air pollution, however, it does not do well in alkaline soils or under drought conditions. A few common holly companions for planting next to the shrubs include boxwood, hydrangea, and rhododendrons. Sky pencil holly is a plant with a lot of personality. This handsome, upright shrub is adept as a framing element in the formal garden and adds welcome height in informal settings, an ideal element for patio gardens and grows well in containers.